That noise means that your brakes are either getting low or there's a concern that needs to be looked at. You need to get them checked out as soon as possible. If you hear this noise when turning left or right, that means you have a bad CV joint. You need to get that addressed right away. If you hear that sound, it could be a loose suspension part, and you need to get that checked right away because that can cause tire wear or safety. If you hear that sound, it's coming from your alternator. You need to get that checked out because if you lose your alternator, you can lose all your charging ability and be stuck on the side of the road. If you hear that sound, it could be a belt. If you lose your belt, you can lose power steering, you can lose electrical, you can lose your AC, and your car can overheat. If you hear that sound, it could be a wheel bearing. You need to get that addressed as soon as possible because that could actually, at worst case scenario, your wheel could fall off.